Welcome to Study Room. This video is on Annual Report 2019 and 20 Part 2. Already one video is released as Part 1. You can watch that video also. And by these two videos, we have tried to complete the entire annual report as a complete analysis of annual report. Friends, this video has 50 questions. To get maximum benefit from these videos, I like to suggest you to first note down serial number 1 to 50 in a notebook. The correct answer mark right and for wrong answer mark into. Thus, at the end of the questions, you can see how many wrong answer you have done. Then immediately go through the wrong answer once again to recollect the correct answer. After 2-3 days, once again attend the question as a fresh by noting down in a notebook. Then compare whether there is any improvement for the previous attempt. By this way, you can become master of the subject. All the best, go ahead. Question number 1. The average area served by the post office as on 31/3/2019. Option A 20.99 square kilometer. Option B 21.99 square kilometer. Option C 15.59 square kilometer. Option D 15.99 square kilometer. The correct answer is option A 20.99 square kilometer. Question number 2. As on 31/3/2019, the following circle has less number of post office in India. Option A Northeast, Option B Jammu and Kashmir, Option C Haryana, Option D Delhi. The correct answer is option D Delhi. Question number 3. National Postal Week celebrated from option A 9th October to 15th October, option B 9th November to 15th November, option C 10th November to 15th November, option D 10th October to 15th October. The correct answer is option A 9th October to 15th October. Question number 4. Department of Post rolled out India Post Call Center IPCC with Interactive Voice Responsive System IVRS at dash location on 1/6/2018. Option A Agra, option B Varanasi, option C Allahabad, option D New Delhi. Correct answer is option B Varanasi. Question number 5. The convocation is listed at entry number 31 of list 1 of the dash of the Constitution of India. Option A 7th schedule, option B 13th schedule, option C 1st schedule, option D 8th schedule. The correct answer is option A 7th schedule. Question number 6. The power to modify rates and tariff of the basic postal services, which was earlier with the Parliament, has been delegated to Ministry of Communication through option A Financial Bill 2010, option B Financial Bill 2015, option C Financial Bill 2013, option D Financial Bill 2017. The correct answer is option D Financial Bill 2017.
Question number 7. The present postal system in India came into existence with the option A Indian Post Office Act of 1954, option B Indian Post Office Act of 1833, option C Indian Post Office Act of 1854, option D Indian Post Office Act of 1898. Answer is option C Indian Post Office Act of 1854. Question number 8. The railway mail service introduced in the year option A 1890, option B 1833, option C 1854, option D 1898. The correct answer is option C 1854. Question number 9. IT modernization project of Department of Post was approved by the Government of India in dash. Option A November 2015, option B November 2012, option C November 2009, option D November 2018. The correct answer is option B November 2012. Question number 10. The primary data center has been functioning at option A CEPT Mysuru, option B Bengaluru. Option C, Navi Mumbai. Option D, Chennai. Correct answer is option C, Navi Mumbai. Question number 11. The first anniversary of IPPB business operation was celebrated on dash at Vignan Bhavan, New Delhi. Option A, 9/9/2019. Option B, 8/8/2018. Option C, 7/7/2017. Option D, 6/6/2016. The correct answer is 9/9/2019. Question number 12. Interoperable Internet Banking Service has been made functional from dash. Option A, 14/12/2019. Option B, 14/12/2015. Option C, 14/12/2018. Option D, 14/12/2016. The correct answer is option C, 14/12/2018. Question number 13. India Post Mobile Banking has been launched on option A, 15/10/2018. Option B, 15/10/2019. Option C, 15/10/2017. Option D, 15/10/2016. The correct answer is option B, 15/10/2019. Question number 14. During the Meghdut Awards 2019, 7 awardees received certificate gold medals along with cash prize of dash. Option A, rupees 21,000. Option B, rupees 51,000. Option C, rupees 1 lakh. Option D, rupees 2 lakhs. The correct answer is option A, rupees 21,000. Question number 15. National Philatelic Museum is situated at option A, Meghdut Bhavan, New Delhi. Option B, Karol Bagh, New Delhi. Option C, Red Fort, New Delhi. Option D, Dog Bhavan, New Delhi. The correct answer is option D, Dog Bhavan, New Delhi.
Question number 16. Jeevan Praman is a biometric-enabled digital service for pensioners for submitting their life certificates digitally, which was introduced on option A, 30th June 2015, option B, 30th June 2018, option C, 30th June 2012, option D, 30th June 2019. The correct answer is option A, 30th June 2015.
Question number 17. For women employees, granting aid is admissible to Central Postal Ladies Organization CPLO and its subordinate organization in the circles at the rate of rupees dash for starting a creche. Option A, rupees 60,000. Option B, rupees 70,000. Option C, rupees 80,000. Option D, rupees 1 lakh. The correct answer is option A, rupees 60,000.
Question number 18. The government cabinet accorded approval for setting up of India Post Payment Bank IPPB on option A, 1st July 2015, option B, 1st July 2016, option C, 1st June 2015, option D, 1st June 2016.
The correct answer is option D, 1st June 2016. Question number 19. Business Post Service started in the year option A, 1996, option B, 1956, option C, 2006, option D, 1986. The correct answer is option A, 1996. Question number 20. Vision of India Post Payment Banks. Statement A, building most accessible, affordable and trusted bank for common man. Statement B, spearheading financial inclusion agenda for underbanked populace. Option A is correct but B is wrong. Option B, A is wrong but B is correct. Option C, both A and B is correct. Option D, both A and B is wrong. The correct answer is option C, both A and B is correct. Question number 21. India Security Press located at option A, Allahabad, option B, Hyderabad, option C, Aligarh, option D, Nasik. The correct answer is option D, Nasik. Question number 22. The Yakar is a competition to encourage option A, stamp designing, option B, stamps and special cover designing, option C, letter writing, option D, stamp exhibits. The correct answer is option C, letter writing. Question number 23. The e-commerce portal of the Department of Post has been launched on option A, 14th March 2018, option B, 14th March 2019, option C, 14th December 2018, option D, 14th December 2019. The correct answer is option C, 14th December 2018. Question number 24. Total number of GPO in India. Option A 22, option B 23, option C 24, option D 25. The correct answer is option C 24.
Question number 25. A philately scholarship scheme called Deen Dayal Sparsh Yojana was introduced in 2017-18. Full form of Sparsh. Option A, scholarship for postal and RMS stamps as hobby. Option B, students preparation and rare selection hints. Option C, students promotion of aptitude and rare stamp collection as hobby. Option D, scholarship for promotion of aptitude and research in stamps as a hobby.
The correct answer is option D, scholarship for promotion of aptitude and research in stamps as a hobby. Question number 26. The postal circle has maximum number of letter boxes installed. Option A, Delhi, option B, Maharashtra, option C, Tamil Nadu, option D, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer, option D, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 27. Jan Suraksha Scheme APY started in CBS post offices from option A 1st December 2012, option B 1st December 2013, option C 1st December 2014, option D 1st December 2015. Answer is option D 1st December 2015. Question number 28. As on 31/3/2019, when compared to the total staff in particular cadre, the percentage of SC community staff are more in following cadre. Option A, Group A, option B, Group B, option C, Group C excluding MTS, option D, Group C MTS. The correct answer is option D, Group C MTS. Question number 29. Department of Post was brought into the ambit of PMLA Act with this amendment wherein Section 2, Subclass 1 listed Department of Post in the Government of India as a financial institution. Option A, Prevention of Money Laundering Amendment Act 2013. Option B, Prevention of Money Laundering Amendment Act 2009. Option C, Prevention of Money Laundering Amendment Act 2005. Option D, Prevention of Money Laundering Amendment Act 2002. The correct answer is option B, Prevention of Money Laundering Amendment Act 2009.
Question number 30. Vision of India Post is option A, India Post is technologically driven to serve the customer. Option B, India Post will be customer first choice. Option C, India Post product, service and quality will be the customer's first choice. Option D, India Post product and service will be customer first choice. The correct answer is option D, India Post product and service will be the customer first choice. Question number 31. On 18th February 1911, the world first airmail flight introduced between option A, Mumbai and Thane, option B, Mumbai and Delhi, option C, Allahabad and Naini, option D, Allahabad and New Delhi. The correct answer is option C, Allahabad and Nani. Question number 32. As on 31/3/2019, the state having more number of post office among states covered in Northeastern Circle. Option A Manipur, option B Mizoram, option C Arunachal Pradesh, option D Tripura. Correct answer is option D Tripura. Question number 33. Sikkim is part of option A Assam Circle, option B Northeastern Circle, option C West Bengal Circle, option D Nepal Circle.
The correct answer is option C, West Bengal Circle.
Question number 34. As on 31/3/2019, among total department employees, the percentage of women employees will be around option A 12%, option B 22%, option C 32%, option D 42%.
The correct answer is option B, 22%.
Question number 35. Financial assistance for the wards of postal employees in the non-tech degree for girl child undergoing graduation in any field with minimum of 60% aggregate in class 12th at dash per month has been introduced with effect from 2018 and 19. Option A 1000 per month, option B 750 per month, option C 500 per month, option D 250 per month.
The correct answer is option D, 250 per month.
Question number 36. Aadhaar updation charges at post office. Option A 50 rupees, option B 100 rupees, option C 30 rupees, option D free of cost.
The correct answer is option A, 50 rupees.
Question number 37. Aadhaar enrollment charges at post office. Option A 50 rupees, option B 100 rupees, option C 30 rupees, option D free of cost.
The correct answer is option D, free of cost.
Question number 38. The primary data center has been functioning from option A 3rd April 2013, option B 3rd April 2012, option C 3rd April 2015, option D 3rd April 2018.
The correct answer is option A, 3rd April 2013.
Question number 39. When cost and revenue in each class of traditional mails is compared, revenue exceeds the cost only for this class of article. Option A parcel, option B letter, option C postcard, option D ILC.
The correct answer is option B, letter.
Question number 40. RICT project renamed as Darpan. Darpan stands for option A Department Post Office and Rural Post Office for New India. Option B Digital Assistance of Rural Post Office for a New India. Option C Digital Advancement of Rural Post Office for a New India. Option D Develop all Rural Post Office for a New India. The correct answer is option C Digital Advancement of Rural Post Office for a New India. For question number 41. For the first time in the history of independent India, octagonal stamp released by Prime Minister of India on 2nd October 2019 on the occasion of option A 140th birthday anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, option B 145th birthday anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, option C 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, option D 155th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. The answer is option C 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 42. Two pilot branches were IPBB launched on 30th January 2017 at option A Ranchi and Raipur, option B Ranchi and Jaipur, option C Jaipur and Jamshedpur, option D Raipur and Jaipur.
The correct answer is option A, Ranchi and Raipur.
Question number 43. A separate marketing division has also been set up at Directorate in option A April 2018, option B April 2020, option C April 2019, option D April 2015.
The correct answer is option C, April 2019.
Question number 44. Speed post service started in the year option A 1896, option B 1956, option C 2006, option D 1986.
The correct answer is option D, 1986.
Question number 45. DQMS stands for option A Department Queue Management System, option B Dynamic Queue Management System, option C Decent Queue Management System, option D Direct Queue Management System.
The correct answer is option B, Dynamic Queue Management System.
Question number 46. E-IPO facility extended to the citizens of India on option A 22nd March 2013, Option B 22nd November 2013. Option C 13th February 2014. Option D 13th November 2014.
The correct answer is option C, 13 February 2014.
Question number 47. POPSK as pilot project started on 25th January 2017 at following places. Option A. Metegalli Post Office, Mysore, Karnataka and Dahod Post Office, Gujarat. Option B. Metegalli Post Office, Mysore, Karnataka and Madurai Head Post Office, Tamil Nadu. Option C. Metegalli Post Office, Mysore and Vishakhapatnam Post Office, AP. Option D. Metegalli Post Office, Mysore and Thrissur Post Office, Kerala. Correct answer is Metegalli Post Office, Mysore and Dahod Post Office, Gujarat. Question number 48. Jan Suraksha Scheme PMJJBY and PMSBY started in CBS post offices from option A 7th September 2012, option B 7th September 2013, option C 7th September 2014, option D 7th September 2015.
The correct answer is option D, 7th September 2015.
Question number 49. How many postal training centers are there in India? Option A 5, option B 6, option C 8, option D 10.
The correct answer is option B, 6.
Question number 50. Female GDS are eligible to grant maternity leave with effect from option A 1/7/2016, option B 1/7/2017, option C 1/7/2018, option D 1/7/2019.
The correct answer is option C, 1/7/2018. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this video study room.